Hello, sales head. Every missed follow-up and manual handoff is a revenue leak. Collab CRM replaces scattered tools with a single business operating system designed for IT companies. Capture leads in one place. Leads from your website, forms, and manual entries land directly in Collab CRM. No more missed contacts. Manage the complete sales lifecycle from capture to closure with real-time visibility. Set monthly goals and track performance across your team. Send multiple customized proposals per deal with automated workflows and digital signatures. Get instant insights when proposals are opened or signed. Turn deals into projects instantly using seamless CRM PMS integration. Create invoices with flexible structures, fixed, hourly, or milestone-based, with automated GST and TDS handling. Collab CRM gives you complete transparency over your cash flow. Track every invoice, due, overdue, paid, or pending in real time. Every change is tracked with a detailed audit trail, giving you complete accountability and always keeping you audit ready. This visibility helps you catch revenue leaks before they grow, from missed billables to invoicing gaps. Collab CRM isn't just customer relationship management, it's company resource management, unifying your entire business. From tracking team goals to monitoring pending payments, Collab CRM gives you clarity and confidence to grow consistently. Simplify sales and invoicing the smart way with Collab CRM. Secure your unified platform today.